State your full name, Mr. Gator.
I'm speaking for the corporation of El Rico Gator.
They're gonna love this one.
Hey guys, KFARR back again, once again with your daily dose of stupidity. Also, to pitch my merch store, link in the description. This is going to be a sovereign citizen in court. And at this point, I'm genuinely feeling sorry for the 36th District Court between the sovereign citizens and the Moors. They just have their hands full, but enjoy the video.
Detroit versus El Rico Gator. Case number SP-128-1837, counts 1 and 2. SP-156-07261, SP-162-4983, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP-164-3083, counts 1 and counts 2 in the state of Michigan versus El Rico Gator, case number SX40380982. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barrett.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gator.
I'm speaking for the corporation of El Rico Gator.
They're gonna love this one. Good morning to you, Mr. Gator.
Hey, Gator don't play no shit. You feel me? Gator never been about that. Never been about playing no shit.
Good morning.
All right, today is the date and time. So I kind of got to get an understanding of, we need Mr. El Rico Gator. We don't need the corporations of El Rico Gator. How do we find Mr. El Rico Gator?
I guess that's the name I was given. I guess I'm El Rico Gator.
Okay. All right. Today is the date. Now let me ask you this. Do you want Mr. Berry to represent you, or do you want an attorney to represent you?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So today's date and time set for, it's some matters under warrant status, Mr. Berry, and other matters are in pretrial for the purposes of the warrants. Mr. Berry.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. So what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets in Mr. Gator's name.
All right, guys, I got this video from Colin. His link to this video will be in the description. I watched up to the point where they said Gator, and I'm like, Gator ain't play no shit. So I have no idea after that. So let's see what these 4 tickets are about.
And then I counted some other tickets into the record. I can give you those tickets whenever you're ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
I have a driver's license suspended. I have a no insurance misdemeanor. I have no ops. I have a failure to stop and an improper turn. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases I called into the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
2 of them are
Nothing much, sir.
Mr. Bennett, Corporal Bennett. You're interrupted, please. Good morning to you. 2 of them are civil infractions that were in default. I have no problem setting these defaults aside. They were kind of a little bit back in October, but since I just said it, I don't have a problem setting an improper left turn and a failure to signal at a stop sign or whatever that is. If the city has no objection to hearing those.
No objection, Your Honor.
I have a problem with it. I was going to say resident of Michigan, but former resident of Michigan. If you watch any of these courts long enough, the 36th District Court, which we're currently watching, the 23rd District Court out of Taylor, they regularly have sovereign citizens. And the fact that they're not getting any actual consequences just makes them roll this up into the next case and saying, oh, well, clearly it's a conspiracy because they held me, or they, found me guilty, but I only got a $200 fine, so we're back to try it again. So more than likely, this guy's going to be back in court probably this year at some point for the exact same thing.
Give Mr. Gator an updated offer. I also see a no insurance, the insurance no proof 288. If Mr. Gator is interested in getting his a valid driver's license, he probably want to pay that 288. At least get a port of clearances here at the 36th District Court. That's the only thing I can see affecting Mr. Gator's license. Mr. Gator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? What happened to Enrico Gator? Did we lose him?
Maybe his corporation said he had a board meeting.
He had a board meeting. All right, let's pass it.
According to Colin, the guy's phone actually did die. And you see, again, the 36th District Court gets all the sovereign citizens, and Judge Perkins specifically gets most of them. We've seen him do sovereign citizens, Moors, and he's just having fun with it. It's not a game, but he's just seen this so many times, it is what it is. Same thing with the public defender. That's the public defender for like 90% of the sovereign citizens that I see in the 36th District Court.
Mr. Gator, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gator. Mr. Gator, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gator?
Yeah.
March the 10th. Come back March the 10th at 9 a.m., all right?
All right, I got one question, Your Honor. He not going to be representing me, is he? Because I don't want him to represent me.
Well, listen, Mr. Gator, see, this is how it works. If you want to pick your attorney, you got to pay for your attorney.
All right. That's fine. That's fine. That's
you
fine.
got another attorney in here. We'll always have two attorneys in here on that date, though. All right?
All right.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. That's a good one. You got to pick your attorney. You got to pay. You like that, don't you, Mr. Bowman and Mr. Berry?
I like that one.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
He and his corporation can pay that retainer.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Judge Perkins having fun. I believe it said March something. I'll Discord message Colin to see if that's going to be like Zoom or in person because, well, I want to see what happens with him and his corporation. But again, that's the end of the video. His link will be in the description. Same thing with the link to the merch store. The KFARR merch store, it's the same thing as the KTZ merch store and about 3 or 4 other people's merch stores. So go visit that. Buy something from us. It's great. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.